હલે 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 જય જય હલે હલે
इस कहानी का नाम है भेड़िया और बकरी के 7 बच्चे।
Hello. Check, check. Hello.
We may expect academic procession be arriving at any point of time. I request kindly keep the sound little low so that we all can hear the sound of the band. I request all the people who are present in the hall kindly mute your mobiles. Requesting to kindly lower down the music sound. As all of us can hear the sound of the band,
Hello.
ladies and gentlemen, academic procession is arriving. I request all present to please rise to welcome them. All present to please rise and kindly keep standing till the dignitaries come on the dais. Board of Governors, Board of Members, academic procession is arriving. I'll request all the present to welcome them and keep standing till the dignitaries come on the dais. Please be silent. Kindly keep standing. Kindly keep standing for Thapar anthem.
Jayati Jayati Jaya He Jayati Jayati Jaya He Jayati Jayati Jaya He Jayati Jayati Jaya He Shashi Ravi se nish din abhinandit Jagmag jag kar de Jayati Jayati Jaya He Jayati Jayati Jaya He Shodh Karya Udyog Prabodhan Thapar की महिमा से प्रतीक्षण पग पग पर निज प्रभा कुंज पर जन मन तन हर ले जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शिक्षा के संस्थान मनोहर आदर्शों के स्रोत अनाश्वर मातृभूमि का ध्येय निरंतर समरस सास्वर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे
All present may please be seated.
I request the Chairman Board of Governors to declare the convocation open.
I declare the convocation open on behalf of the President. The convocation of the Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, has been called to confer degrees upon the candidates who have been certified to be worthy of receiving the same.
Respected Shri R.R. Vadera, Chairman Board of Governors, esteemed members of the Thapar Education Trust, members of the Board of Governors and the Senate of TIET, members of the media, my esteemed colleagues, beloved degree recipients, my young student friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great honor and privilege for me to extend a very warm and hearty welcome to all of you to this 36th convocation of the Thapar Institute, Patiala. Today, we are also taking this opportunity to honor Air Marshal Jagjit Singh as our distinguished alumnus for his significant contribution in the field of defense and engineering. Air Marshal Jagjit Singh is a very decorated officer with several honors and awards to his credit, including the Vashisht Seva Medal and the Param Vashisht Seva Medal. I'm very happy that this 36th convocation is being held today in all solemnity in the gracious presence of so many dignitaries adhering to the established convention of the occasion. This brief report provides a summary of our activities, achievements, and accomplishments in the different spheres of our activity during the year 2021-2022. At this convocation, a total of 2,459 degrees are being awarded, including 99 PhD. These cover a wide range of disciplines and specializations offered by the institution. Degrees will be distributed over the course of the next 3 days. 42 students will receive medals or awards for their outstanding and meritorious academic, scholastic, and all-round performance. Khushlin Billing, who has topped the list of successful candidates in all disciplines of the final year BE examination with a CGPA of 10, will receive the President's Medal, as well as the Professor V. Rajaraman Computer Science and Engineering Award for securing the highest GPA in BE Computer Engineering. The S. Ranbir Singh Gold Medal for the best all-round student will be awarded to Parivansh Deep Singh. The S. Ram S. Sidhu Memorial Medal will be awarded to Vishika Goyal. I extend on behalf of the faculty and the staff of the university and on my own personal behalf, our heartiest congratulations to all the degree recipients on the successful completion of their academic programs and to all those who are recipients of medals and prizes for their outstanding performance. Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology continues to be ranked high in all global and Indian rankings, especially in the subject rankings for computer science and engineering. We continue to hold our high Indian rank as reflected in the 2022 NIRF rankings, where we featured at the 28th position among the top engineering institutions in the country. However, slightly lower than the 2021 rankings. We were ranked 31st among all the universities in India in the university category. TIET was ranked in the 601 to 800 bracket worldwide in the Times Higher Education World Rankings 2022 and 127th in the Asia rankings. Also, the Times Higher Education World ranked us in the 401 to 500 bracket in the engineering category, and the computer science program was ranked in the 251 to 300 bracket worldwide. All eligible engineering programs in the year received ABET reaccreditation for the next 6 years. Research at TIET is at the apex of the Institute's long-term strategic plan, which is to be a leading research-focused and teaching intensive institute in India. Our research strengths were well reflected through research indices and funding that we received. The H index on Scopus and the Web of Science stands at 132 and 119 respectively. The Institute's citation index on Scopus and Web of Science happens to be at 14.42 and at 15.84 respectively. These are among the highest in the country as far as private institutions are concerned. The institution has on date 108 sponsored research projects ongoing. The faculty received a total of about 15 crores in funding to carry out their research. The institute has also established centers of excellence in emerging disciplines. The institute added another center of excellence in the field of advanced manufacturing to the already existing centers of excellence in the area of food security and emerging materials. TIET is developing its first student nanosatellite, ThapSat, to be flown in lower Earth orbit sometime early next year. Satellite monitoring and the control station for the Thapar satellite project were inaugurated and have become operational. The objective of the satellite is to provide the state of Punjab in its quest against pollution, agricultural waste disposal, and also help in supplementing a growth in agricultural yield. A contract has been signed with the World Bank funded road project between Thapar Institute and the Himachal Pradesh Road and Infrastructure Development Corporation for conducting third-party review of the major roads at a cost of 6.72 crores. TIIT recruited 59 faculty and 29 staff members during the year to join the workforce from diverse interdisciplinary areas by providing equal opportunity to all from top institutions. TIIT has at present 682 faculty members on its rolls across all cadres. In 21-22, we added a new floor on the C block of the institute and also built 139 new air-conditioned faculty offices on the top floor of the Computer Science and Engineering building. The new Thapar School for Liberal Arts and Sciences building with 2 annexes with an elevated garden podium provide shade to public spaces and pavilions in the summer. The building has state-of-the-art classrooms with interlocking social spaces. The new boys and girls residences, namely hostels O and Q, were also inaugurated during the year and are designed to host 928 students each. In the academic year 21-22, 396 companies visited TIIT for placements. Total of 1,579 students with 1,842 offers were made on our campus placement services. TIIT has over 40 societies and clubs that provide a platform to students to shine in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Societies like Pratigya, NSS, and the Paryavaran Welfare Society worked with the underprivileged for their cognitive, physical, and social development. Student teams participated in hackathons and secured top positions and got top cash prizes. In an event organized by ION, TIIT team won the second prize and was awarded a cash prize of about 2 lakhs. In another hackathon by Amazon, again, TIIT won the second prize. Ramneet Kaur participated in the Indian Grand Prix 2022 and won the gold medal at Trivandrum. UG students of the EIED department have developed an EV cart, an 8-seater, from a scrap vehicle. Also, Team Fateh won several prizes this year in the SAE Baja annual event. TIIT has been ensuring access to funds for student scholarships at both its campuses. It is our responsibility that shortage of funds must not become a bottleneck for any student to lose the opportunity to benefit from a Thapar experience. Deserving and needy students have been provided with a range of scholarships and fee waivers. The Institute dispersed scholarship amounting to more than 30 crores during the year, including the GATE scholarships and some government grants. I would like to take this opportunity to express our gratitude on behalf of all my colleagues and on my personal behalf to Sri Gautam Thapar for his deep personal commitment to our goals and for his constant support to our efforts to pursue excellence. We are grateful to Mr. Vadera, Chairman Board of Governors, for his keen interest in the management of the Institute. Our thanks are also due to all the members of the Council, the Board, the Senate, and other statutory bodies of the Institute for their interest and valuable guidance in the development of the Institute. We are grateful to the Government of India, Government of Punjab, the Thapar Education Trust, the regulatory bodies, and the funding agencies for their support to the Institute. Finally, I conclude by conveying my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to each one of you receiving their degrees today and the awards or medals for their special achievements. Jai Hind. Let the candidates for the award of degrees of Doctor of Philosophy be presented.
Sir, I present the candidates who, having satisfied the requirements for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, are considered worthy of receiving the same. I recommend that they all, and including those in absentia, be admitted to the said degree. Shivani. Madhu. Navjot Kaur Virk. Harsimran Kaur. Sumit Goyal. Gaurav Sharma. Varinder Pal Singh. Vanita Sharma. Surinder. Preeti Binder. Nilima Singh. Tarunbir Singh. Paramveer Kaur. Sukhpreet Kaur. Ashima Gupta. Avneet Kaur. Prashu. Divya. Vinod Kumar. Ishatpreet Kaur. Himanshu. Amanpreet Kaur. Yogesh Bhatt. Payal Sachdeva. Sonam Rani. Vikasdeep Singh Maan. Arshdeep Singh. Ina Thakur. Manmeet Kaur. Abhishek Chauhan. Nirmal Singh. Saloni Sharma. Cafe. Sachin Kumar Yadav. Sandeep Bansal. शिवानी जैन, अभय, सिद्धार्थ सिंह, प्रभजोत कौर, कपिल जैन, सिमरनजीत कौर, अरविंद ठाकुर, मनप्रीत कौर, अभिषेक गुप्ता, संदीप कौर, तनवीन कौर, मधु कुशवाहा, दीक्षा, कंगन, संजय, दिव्या गुप्ता, गुरविंदर सिंह, निकिता मदान, शिल्पी सक्सेना, नवनीत कौर, शिवानी पुंज, प्रिया गोयल, हिमांशु शर्मा, स्वाति कुमारी, वरुण सिंगल, सुरभि शर्मा, आशीष गोयल, नीरज, कौशलेंद्र पांडे, रविंदर कौर संधू, सिकंदर, आए नहीं नहीं है अभी। क्या होगा? सिकंदर, सिकंदर, अंकित, विवेक, सुषमा, Pradeep, Balkar, Akansha, Anju, and Sunil Grewal.
Master of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering, Kshitij Kaushik. Abhishek Karir. Ankit Kumar. Ankita Chandel. अर्पित आहूजा, चेतन पाटीदार, गरिमा ठाकुर, ईशा चौहान, क्षितिज अरुणाब, मनजोत सिंह रतौल, मुस्कान कुमार, पलकप्रीत कौर, पराग सिंगल, पराक्रम सिंह चौहान, प्रज्ञा गेरा, रितेश प्रसाद, रिया शर्मा, सहदेव सैनी, साक्षी गुप्ता, सपना चनेजा, सरबजीत सिंह, सत्यम प्रधान, शगुन कौशल, शशि शर्मा, शिवेश सुरेंद्र श्रीवास्तव, सृजन जैन, जलपुरी श्रुति, शुभम जेठा, सिमरन सरहदी, सुरभि शर्मा, स्वप्निल सूद, उज्जवल आहूजा, विवेक सिंह रावत, नवनीत कौर, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, पुनीत कौर, अभिनव गुप्ता, अनुज शर्मा, हर्षिम सचदेवा, हरसिमर मल्होत्रा, जसमीत कौर, करणजीत सिंह, मोहिता शर्मा, पलक, सागरिका मिद्धा, श्रेय रामतीरथ गोस्वामी, श्रेयस व्यास, शुभम बगवारी, सैयद मोहम्मद रफ़ी रूमी, वरुण एलन सिंह, यशकीरत सिंह, गौरव धीमान, राहुल कुमार, सिमरजोत मांगट, अंशु राणा, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन कैड कैम इंजीनियरिंग, तमनदीप सिंह जौली, हरसिमरन सिंह मवी, हिमांशु शर्मा, जयदीप सिंह, मनदीप सैनी, मिलिंद कुमार जायसवाल, नितिन धीमान, साहिल शर्मा, सलिल शुक्ला, शिवम सक्सेना, श्रेया मल्होत्रा, शुभम राय, अनुराग झा, अमोल माथुर, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग गिरीश कुमार शुक्ला, कांत कुमार देव, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन थर्मल इंजीनियरिंग पुलकित जैन, अभिषेक यादव, चिराग सिद्धू, दीपांश ठाकुर, करण शर्मा, प्रशांत किशोर शर्मा, ऋषभ कुमार, सिद्धार्थ शर्मा, सुभेग सिंह, शुस्तनु सरकार, सैयद मोहम्मद अज़िफ़ुज़ जमान, शुभम श्रीवास्तव, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियरिंग अमिया कुमार ठाकुर, आनंद वर्मा, देवेंद्र अहलावत, जयवीर सिंह, कोमलदीप, प्रीक्षित शर्मा, ऋषभदीप राणा, रोहन कुमार, साकिब ब्राल, सरमद राशिद, शगुन महाजन, उत्कर्ष सिंह, ईशान शर्मा, पीयूष प्रसाद, अक्षत सिरोही, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग शिवानी नागराज, अनुज चौधरी, धीरज राजकुमार, ध्रुव गर्ग, गगन कुमार, हिमांशु, कार्तिक चड्डा, पीरजादा उजैर, शाहरुख सलीम, सौरव सिंह सुम्बेरिया, उस्पल घिमारे, विदुषी चड्डा, स्पर्श त्यागी, नवदीप नंदा, आयुष भाटिया, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन पावर सिस्टम्स असरा इरफान, बेअंत सिंह, हर्ष रतन गुलेरिया, जोशिका रानी, कमल सिंह शेखावत, ललिता, मनीष कुमार, नवनीत कौर, प्रभजोत सिंह सैनी, राहुल चौधरी, राहुल कुमार कंबोज, राजशेखर त्रिपाठी, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड कंट्रोल इंजीनियरिंग देबंदु पॉल, गौतम कुमार, मास्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग गौरी शर्मा, अर्शदीप कौर, सुमाथी, नवराज, मास्टर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन VLSI डिजाइन गौरव शर्मा, अमन गुप्ता, आशुतोष जायसवाल, असजद फैमी, बेबी शाबनाज, हिमांशु यादव, किशन सिंघानिया, मुस्कान, लड़की की नाम सुना, रमनदीप कौर, रोहित चौबे, रूहानी गोयल, शांतनु जैदवाल, शिवम शर्मा, श्वेता भारती, तानिया स्लोत्रा, तारुष अग्रवाल, विवेक मलिक, यश, शिल्पेश, मेघा सिंह, अभिषेक कुमार, साहिल फुल्लारे, बेथी रोहित, हितेश कुमार गुप्ता, मास्टर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी दीपांशी पंडित, अंशु सिंह, ईवा राठी, हर्षिता महाजन, कृति शर्मा, मनमीत कौर, नवजोत कौर, निखिल गिरजा प्रसाद मिश्रा, प्रियंका, रक्षिता, अमितेश्वर कौर भसीन, मनस्वी जैन, मास्टर टेक्नोलॉजी इन एनवायरमेंटल साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी अरुष मस्की, आकांक्षा, अंचल अग्रवाल, अंशिका देव ओझा, मोहम्मद अब्दुल मनन, रिचा कपिला, उत्तम जौत कौर, कार्तिक सिंगला, मास्टर टेक्नोलॉजी इन एनर्जी टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजमेंट अदिति सिन्हा, निशांत वर्मा, कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग अवेक्षा कपूर, मिथाली, अभिषेक ठाकुर, शेख हाजिम, हरजीत सिंह, जुनेद अल्ताफ, Gursikh Meet Singh, Ishant, Jashanpreet, Anmol Agarwal, Swarit, Ashdeep, Anchal Agarwal, Jahangir Navi, Gurpreet Kaur, without name. ये तो मैडम now the student okay. That's what I'm saying. All the degree recipients, please rise.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Chairman of the Senate of Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, I do hereby admit each of these candidates to their respective degrees and charge them to prove worthy of the same throughout their lives. Let the records of the degrees be presented to the Chairman Board of Governors for his signatures. Let the candidates for the award of Institute medals be presented.
Sir, I present the following candidates who have been declared winners of the Institute Medal for the year 2022 for securing the highest CGPA in their respective disciplines of Master of Engineering and Master of Technology programs. Mr. Kshitij Kaushik, ME Computer Science and Engineering. Ms. Puneet Kaur for ME in Software Engineering. Mr. Tamandeep Singh Jolly of ME CAD/CAM Engineering. Mr. Pulkit Jain of ME Thermal Engineering. Mr. Amia Kumar Thakur of ME Infrastructure Engineering. Ms. Shivani Nagraj of ME Structural Engineering. Ms. Asra Irfan of ME Power Systems. Ms. Gauri Sharma of ME Electronics and Communication Engineering. Mr. Gaurav Sharma of MTech VLSI Design. Ms. Dipanshi Pandit of MTech Biotechnology. Mr. Arush Maski of MTech Environmental Science and Technology.
Now I request all the degree recipients to please rise for pledge. Only the degree recipients. I pledge my knowledge and intellectual attainment to humanity. I shall use it in a manner befitting the honor and dignity of my country and of my alma mater. I shall make every effort in all circumstances to uphold the dignity of my profession and integrity of character. I shall endeavor in every way, through thought, word and action, to bring about the well-being of people. I shall live a well-disciplined life and shall never forget the commandment of the sacred scriptures and institute motto. Thou shalt perform deeds that are commendable and no others. Truth triumphs, falsehood never. Please be seated.
Sir. Sir, this year TIET has conferred the Distinguished Alumnus Award on Air Marshal Jagjit Singh.
Sir, Air Marshal Jagjit Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medalist, graduated from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala in Electrical Engineering with honors in 1976. Immediately upon graduation from TIT, he was selected for both the Indian Air Force as well as the Indian Army for the courses commencing from January 1977. Because of his passion for flying, he chose to join the Indian Air Force and was commissioned as a pilot officer in the Aeronautical Engineering branch of the Indian Air Force. During his initial years with the Indian Air Force, he trained in handling missiles, radars, communication systems, and later navigated aircraft systems. He superannuated on 31st December 2015 after a long and illustrious career in the Air Force of 39 years. During this distinguishing career, he served as Senior Technical Officer of a Mirage 2000 Squadron and instructor at the Air Force Technical College, Chief Engineering Officer at the Air Force Academy, Air Officer commanding of a very large base repair depot, and Air Officer in charge maintenance for all the technical equipment held on the inventory of the Indian Air Force. The high point of his career was when he was elevated to the position of Air Officer Commanding in Chief of Maintenance Command Nagpur, a coveted position which every officer aspires for. Air Marshal Jagjit Singh is the only Thapar alumni who rose to the rank of a 3-star officer in all the 3 verticals of the Indian Defence Services, that is Army, Navy and Air Force. While in service, he continued in his pursuit for lifelong learning and completed post-graduation in electrical engineering from Punjab University, Chandigarh, and later a postgraduate diploma in management. Air Marshal has always believed in giving back to the society and has instituted several scholarships for children, including differently abled children. Post-retirement from active service in the Air Force, he has served as the Senior Vice President of the Air Force Association and Vice Chairman of the Marshal of the Air Force Trust for the last 6 years. Both these organizations look after the welfare of the Air Force veterans. Air Marshal Jagjit Singh is a decorated officer with several honors and awards to his credit. He received commendation by the Chief of Air Staff on 26 January 1997 and 26 January 2001. He was awarded Vashisht Seva Medal by the Honorable President of India on 26 January 2007. He served as Honorary Air ADC to the President of India from 1st October 2015 to 31st December 2015. He was awarded Param Vashisht Seva Medal by the Honorable President of India on 26 January 2016. For all his extraordinary achievements, he was one among 550 individuals who were honored by the government of Punjab in November 2019 at PTU Kapurthala during the 550th birthday celebration of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Air Marshal Jagjit Singh is an avid reader and keen golfer. He keeps himself mentally and physically fit and through regular walks and playing squash. For the 50th year celebration of the famed victory of India over Pakistan in 1971, Air Marshal edited a book titled Indo-Pak War 1971, Reminiscence of Air Warriors. The book was launched during a special function held to commemorate the occasion on 5th May 2022 by Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, Honorable Raksha Mantri of India. In recognition of his significant contribution in the field of defense and engineering, the Senate of Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology confers the Distinguished Alumnus Award on Air Marshal Jagjit Singh. He shall remain a shining example and a source of inspiration to all of us.
May I, sir? Yes. Honorable Chairman, Board of Governors, Shri Rajiv Ranjan Ji Vadera, Director, Thapar, Dr. Gopalan, Deans, members of the Senate, the faculty and staff of Thapar Institute, the students who are graduating today, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning to you, extending to, of course, the afternoon. At the outset, I would like to extend my hearty thanks to the Board of Governors of Thapar Institute for having chosen me for this Distinguished Alumnus Award for this year. It's a big honor bestowed on me, the memories of which I am going to cherish for all times to come. My association with the Institute, personal association, dates back to 1961. May sound little odd, because I was a 6-year-old kid. We have 3 generations from our family. Ours is a joint family. We have 3 generations from our family who have studied in Thapar. My father's youngest brother, he joined in 1961. I was staying with him at that point of time. That was in 1961, and the youngest one is my younger brother's son, who graduated in 2014. So 53 years, 3 generations, 5 decades. Me and both my younger brothers are also from Thapar. With me joining in 1972, my younger brother joining in 75, and the youngest one joining in 78. So 72 to 88, we had continuous presence at Thapar. And to top it up, my Chachaji, who joined in 1961 and graduated in 65, was on the faculty of Thapar for 36 years from 67 to 2003. Some of you might have known him, Professor Sundar Singh. As far as my personal growth in the Air Force is concerned, I don't think I have to say anything. The citation has said more than what I have actually done or what I deserve. It was a very good journey. 39 years with the Indian Air Force. That was the only service I joined. Immediately after graduating, I joined and superannuated at the age of 60 on 31st December 2015. Many honors and awards are given to me as a part of the journey, and I also did contribute, honestly, my bit to the organization. I'm very proud of it, that it's given me so much I can't ever think of paying back. But the foundation for that goes to this institute, sir. I've been visiting the institute in between. It started with 3 hostels, A, B and C hostel, and now you all see where it stands. Overall development in infrastructure, teaching faculties, departments being added. We used to be less than 1,000 students. In 4 years, today it is more than 10,000 students. It's because of the reputation the college has built over the period of these 50 years that have gone in between. And as the director read in his report, our rankings are very, very, very high. It's a matter of pride for all the Thaparians. I compliment the administration for this. It's not a simple task to hold on to those top rankings and grow simultaneously. It's with forward and positive looking, very meticulous planning and a very meticulous execution of your plans. And the proof is in the pudding where we stand today. It's a wonderful achievement. My compliments to all the students who are graduated today, the PhD students and the MTech students. It's yet another milestone for the staff for having guided them to achieve these degrees. A very, very proud moment for all of us, as well for the staff as well as for the students. For the younger generation of students, I would like to give a few words of advice. With my experience, that's the only service which I have served, the Defence Forces. Honesty, integrity and loyalty needs no mention. They have to be on the topmost priority. There are no laid down definitions for these words. This is for you to choose what is integrity, what is honesty and what is loyalty. It's for you to choose. You people are embarking on a new phase of life. You have chosen your careers. Now you're looking for a job. Some of you have already picked up. Some of you are going to pick up. My only advice would be honest to yourself. Do whatever you are doing honestly. You will enjoy doing it, and when you enjoy doing it, you will do it better. And the organization where you are serving is going to benefit. I wish all of you all the best in the years ahead. Some of you may think of, maybe now you are little old MTech students, but then joining armed forces. It's a wonderful career which gives you professional satisfaction. It's an illustrious, very wonderful service, lot of adventure, lot of learning, and financially also very, very, very good. You may ponder upon this point and think, or maybe pass it on to the younger generation to choose from this, because the engineers from this college have been doing exceptionally well. They are doing very well outside also, but in the defense also they are doing very well. So I will again wish all the best to all the students who have graduated today. My compliments to the staff for accomplishing yet another milestone, and thank you very much, sir, for giving me this honor and this opportunity. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon, everybody. Dear Air Marshal Jagjit Singh, members of the board and the Senate, degree recipients, distinguished guests, colleagues, ladies, gentlemen, and all else present here. It gives me indeed immense pleasure to be here with you on this 36th annual convocation of the Institute. I think, I have some kind of a written thing in front of me, but I think we'll put this at rest and let me talk to you. You are on the anvil of now a major phase of your life. Adolescence is over. You are at an age group where seriousness has to set in. All of us have gone through that phase. And I think Air Marshal Sir, he emphasized on a few things. And I think the one which stands out is honesty and integrity. Let me tell you, please make that your motto. See, life is a marathon. It is not a 100-meter sprint. Please always remember that life is a marathon. Don't get worried that who is ahead of you at 100 meters. It is meaningless. The actual winner is the person who pips the post after running that 42 kilometers. So, look, I'm now 73 years old. I work as much as what I used to work when I was 40. I passed out in 1970 as an engineer from IIT Delhi, and I've been running since then. And it is not because of any compulsion, because I like being involved, engaged, and meaningfully contributing to what I'm doing. So as youngsters, please don't take a short-term view of life. Don't get contractual, transactional in your relationships. You see, please never worry. You see, I talk to youngsters who join the Thapar group. I tell them, don't be transactional. Take ownership of what you have to do. Please take ownership as if it is your own personal work. You see, then only you see what happens is, when you join as a youngster, today's atmosphere is completely different. I joined Larsen & Toubro from the campus at 750 rupees a month. Okay, that's vintage time, but that's what we were given, and that was a top class salary in 1970. But I think once you have got employed, a lot of you have got employed, forget about the money you are earning. Focus on creating content in yourself. I always tell people, AIMS ke doctor jo hai na, they work in not the best of environment, but after 15 years of experience of AIMS, they become gold, as a matter of fact. It is the experience. So I think the first 10 years of your life, don't worry about jumping ship every 2 years and changing your salary curve. You know, that's a good term they use. And I have to change the slope of my growth. Please become competent in what you are doing. If you are enjoying it, all the better. You know, I have worked for over 50 years, so I have a lot of stories to tell. But I have to tell you one or two stories which you should remember. But before that, let me tell you that the Thapar University, I think you should be proud of graduating from here, has metamorphosed over the last 10 years from a 5,000 plus students university to now close to 12,000, 11,000 some students. So that has been a good growth phase. But please understand, normally when you grow so rapidly, we grew in 60 years to 5,000. In now the next 9 years, we have grown 3 times, almost 2.5 times. So the first thing to fall is quality. When you grow so rapidly, then the first thing to get affected is quality. I think the university has been very careful, and the gentlemen sitting around in front of you have been very careful to see that the academic quotient of the university only goes up. But now, when you rapidly increase the strength of the university to almost 2.5 times, you have to build academic infrastructure, you have to build physical infrastructure for students to stay. There are almost 8,500 students staying on the campus. So this is not a small, it's like a city. It's like a city inside these gates. So I think a lot of effort by all concerns have gone in to make sure that Thapar somewhere lurks around the top 20 universities in the country. There are 1,000 universities in the country. Please understand, there are 1,000 universities in the country. And eventually, at this level, you are basically trying to compete with yourself, and you are continuously trying to reinvent yourself. And I think you should also do the same thing. Reinvent yourself every day. Observe people who are doing better than you. Learn their strengths, their good qualities. You should not be embarrassed. Zindagi mein, you will come across so many people who are ahead of you, who are better than you. So how do you catch them? You basically pick up their strengths. So as youngsters, this is the best way to evolve, to improve, as a matter of fact. Don't get jealous of anybody. Envy is not a good quality, as a matter of fact. No harm in learning. Also, the teachers have taught you. You know, Thapar University, we have gone through that pandemic, and somehow we kind of managed to teach online. We managed to convert our physical teaching into online programs, and somehow we managed those tough days. The infrastructure development continued. We are very happy that we are back to now normality. Even during the pandemic times, we added the liberal arts program. We have plans now, after 2-3 years, to start working on the Delhi campus. We have bought land in Gurgaon, about 45 acres, and once I add another 15 acres, we hope that we will have an off-campus of Thapar University in the NCR region. We have started very seriously, because you see, when in 2015, we embarked on what we thought was a contemporization program of Thapar University. That means how to align ourselves not with the best in India, but the best in the world. So therefore, these partnerships came along with Trinity, with Groningen, and these are top-ranked universities. Trinity is 500 and some odd years old, as a matter of fact. It's like an Oxford and a Cambridge. And we kind of raised our teaching and learning ability, our research capabilities from these partnerships. I will give you an example. Please always try to learn from people who are ahead of you. There is nothing wrong in it, as a matter of fact. That is the cycle one must follow. We have now, I think we have done a lot of work on the teaching and learning side. We are now embarking on what I call research-inspired education. That I also bring, or the academics bring, a part of their research into the classrooms. It is not just textbook teaching and learning. We have a template. We are now starting with these, what we call the Centers of Excellence in Research. We have signed 2 collaborations. I think the SEAMS Center, the Material Science Center, Emerging Materials Center, is doing extremely well. There are about 100 people working in that center. The Food Security Center, where we are working on digital villages, on improving shelf life of fresh fruit, or fresh produce, and so many projects related to water, sustainability, improving the quality of water available in the villages. We have just signed an agreement with Tel Aviv University on advanced manufacturing processes, where 3D metal printing will be, investment will be done in large equipment concerning 3D metal printing. We have just last week signed a Center of Excellence collaboration with the University of Queensland in data science. Okay, there are 2 more thematic areas to be followed. So eventually you will see that there would be, as you know, the politicians talk about double engine. Do you know what double engine? I didn't understand what they're talking about double engine. It obviously means that they run the central government, and also they want to run the state government. But today, what is his name? This Kejriwal fellow talked of, no, not Nadda, talked of triple engine. So I said, what is this triple engine now? Triple engine means they also want to control the municipal corporation. That is the triple engine. I said, these are all gimmicks. I think you have to be honest to what you do. You have to work towards the elevation or the amelioration of the conditions of 1.4 billion people in the country. You have seen the rich and the poor divide. It is only in a country like India that you also, anybody who is earning 5 lakhs per annum, he is supposed to be lower middle class. 5 lakhs per annum, you divide by 83, you will understand what it means in dollars actually. Anybody above 5 lakhs per annum is considered to be lower middle class. I think, so what I'm saying is that corruption, please understand that everything is not hunky-dory. Please stay away from temptations. Collaborate with people. 1 plus 1 is 22. It is not 2. But do your bit. You have taken a pledge. You have taken a beautiful pledge. I pledge my knowledge and intellectual attainment to humanity. Oh, that's a big statement. I hope all of you have absorbed what you have taken a pledge for. You have to do your bit for humanity. You can't just be self-centered. Yaar, mera theek chal raha hai. I damn care for anybody else. Be sensitive to other people. I want to tell you a story. I went to a leadership program in Colorado Springs in the USA, I think about 10 years ago. So there was a professor who told us about a story which said that on the shores of Miami, hundreds of thousands of starfish were swept onto the shore, and they were all tarpoing, dying. Hundreds of thousands of fish were swept onto the shore without water. So they were all dying. And then there was one man, he was picking up a fish and throwing it back into the water. Picking up another fish, there were hundreds of thousands of those fish. Utha ke phek raha hai. So few people approached him. They said, "Are you mad? You think that these fish have a hope in hell? Have you seen the number of fish? And do you think what you are doing is of any purpose? Do you think they have a hope in hell?" He picks up one fish, throws it back into the ocean and says, "This one has." So understand कि जिंदगी में सिर्फ बड़ा काम is not important. You have to basically see that people who are below you, if nothing else, you have to give them a helping hand. I think that is what education is all about. Education, you see, I go to a town hall I've never forgotten that, please. And I must tell you, I went to a town hall in our management school in Derabasi. So I, as the chairman of the board, I thought I would be intellectually challenged by these postgraduates, in the management school. So somebody raises his hand, and you know what he asked me? What is the ROI? I just shut my book. I said to Dr. Nair, "Dr. Nair, I am so disappointed with this question. Please don't take education on the basis of ROI. It's an enabler. The education which the university has imparted you is an enabler. The ROI comes over your full career. Please remember, it's a marathon. Don't try and be transactional के साहब मैंने 4 लाख रुपया हर साल की फीस दी है, ये 16 लाख रुपया मैं 1 साल में कमा लूँगा या it's a failure's outlook, I'm telling you. Right? It's a failure's outlook. Don't talk of ROI when you relate it with education. Education is an enabler, ladies and gentlemen. It enables you to basically do well in your life. So anyway, I can go on and on. I have a lot of stories, but I was told by Sanjay Sen, only please tell them one story, otherwise I could tell you 5, okay? But he says, "Ek hi batana inko." So I'm not telling you the hare and tortoise story, which everyone knows, but what I know, the part of it, nobody knows, okay? But anyway, I just wanted to congratulate you. I wish you from the bottom of my heart that you do well in life, be good citizens, feel for your country, right? Please don't always look for escape velocity to go to Canada. Huh? You know, this word is called Ramcharan. You know, he's a big management guru. He talks of escape velocity. You know what escape velocity means? Hindustan se velocity tez karke bhag jana hai. So there is no need. There's a lot of potential in India. मेहनत करोगे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. So best of luck. Please be in touch with your alma mater. There's a lot of things to give back also when you are in a position. The thing, monetary we don't need. We have enough resources. I'm not worried about. But look after the students. They need mentoring. They need hand-holding when they come into an organization where you are a senior guy. Please be concerned that they are your brethren who have come. So anyway, best of luck. And I hope that you are all very successful in whatever you do.
Now I'll request all present to please rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Please remain standing till the academic procession leaves the hall. Medal winners, kindly join the procession. Medal winners, kindly join the procession for the group photograph arranged in the lawn. I'll also request photographer to kindly go along with the procession for their photographs. I'll request our guest dignitaries to kindly proceed. All are invited for the lunch. I'll request degree recipient to take the exit from this gate so that dignitaries can move from the other gate. Degree recipient, kindly exit from the gate which is towards my right. All are invited for the lunch also, which is arranged outside the auditorium.